This is Projects, a new feature in WorkfloPlus that lets you plan, organize, and monitor entire programs of work in one place. A project is made up of phases, and each phase contains jobs. Let's build one. Creating a project takes seconds. Give it a name, set your target start and end dates, and WorkfloPlus generates a visual project timeline. Target dates aren't fixed. You can adjust them at any time as the plan develops. Projects are broken down into phases. Name your phase, set its timeline, and it appears on the plan. Then add jobs to each phase, straight from your existing workflow templates. So the digital processes your teams already use slot directly into the plan. New jobs wait in the unscheduled panel until you're ready. Then scheduling is simply drag and drop. And here's where that gets you. A complete plan. A planned maintenance turnaround with 3 phases and 9 scheduled jobs. Dependencies map the critical path, so everyone can see what has to happen before the next job can start. Phases can be protected with a sign-off job. The phase can't be closed until the designated sign-off is complete, giving you built-in control over how work is handed over. As teams complete jobs in the field, progress updates in real time. Completed work turns green, overdue jobs are flagged red, and completed phases lock, preserving a full audit trail. Discover projects in WorkfloPlus and see how easy it is to keep every job on track.